Inter.net Canada full review features strengths, weaknesses. Links to Internet Canada's plans and services are in the description. Now let's dive into what this internet provider offers and whether it's the right fit for you. Inter.net Canada is an independent ISP that provides internet services across various regions in Canada, focusing on affordability, flexibility, and customer service. Unlike major telecom companies, it operates as an alternative provider, offering DSL and fiber-based internet plans without forcing users into restrictive contracts. One of its standout features is unlimited data on most plans, ensuring customers don't have to worry about overage charges. The company also emphasizes transparency, with no hidden fees and straightforward pricing. Additionally, Inter.net Canada supports both residential and business customers, making it a versatile option for different types of users. Inter.net Canada is best suited for individuals and businesses looking for a no-contract, cost-effective internet service. It's a strong choice for those who want to avoid the big telecom providers while still getting reliable speeds for everyday browsing, streaming, and remote work. It's particularly beneficial for customers who prioritize customer support, as Internet Canada is known for its responsive and personalized assistance. Now, let's talk strengths. The biggest advantage of Internet Canada is its affordability and lack of contracts, making it a flexible option for users who don't want long-term commitments. The availability of unlimited data on many plans is a major plus, especially for heavy internet users. Another strength is its customer service, which tends to be more responsive and personalized compared to larger providers. However, there are some weaknesses. While Internet Canada offers solid service, its network infrastructure relies on partnerships with larger telecom companies, which can sometimes result in slower speeds or limited availability in certain areas. Additionally, its fiber coverage is not as extensive as major providers, meaning some customers may only have access to DSL options, which might not be ideal for high-bandwidth activities like gaming or 4K streaming. Overall, Inter.net Canada is a great choice for users who want an affordable, no-contract internet service with unlimited data and strong customer support. If you're in its coverage area, it's worth considering. Check the description for the latest plans and offers from Inter.net Canada.